Meaning of exacting.
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 Exacting. Exacting refers to being very precise and paying close attention to details. When someone is described as exacting, it means that they demand a high level of accuracy and completeness in their work or in a task they are performing. They are not satisfied with subpar results and strive for perfection in their endeavors. This can lead to exceptional outcomes, but can also cause stress and frustration if the level of precision required is too high or unrealistic. Overall, an exacting approach can result in exemplary achievements, but requires a great deal of effort and dedication.